Just a tip if you're doing a self-installation with the access vents. This is the most solid part of the register, and the centerpiece here, there's a lot more flexibility, okay? So when you're putting the vents in, you need to put them towards the external perimeter, and then you'll have the flexibility of being able to snap it into the centerpiece. The other factor here, you can see there's a tag there. Now it's not on every register. Make sure that you get it underneath that. So let me grab one. And again, I'm pushing it towards the back. I'm putting the backs in first and this side. And then I've got that flexibility there. Push that in. Look at that, nice and easy. Work it towards the back. And again, and then you can hear that click. So for the last one, you open the vent and then you snap it into place like so, and your access vents are installed.